Guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can delete all chat on Instagram from both sides. So make sure you watch the full video to delete all of your chat from both sides on Instagram. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first is go to an Instagram. After going to an Instagram, you have to go to on chat option. Then you have to find the people that you want to unsend the message. I am going to this person. After that, you need to scroll down all the way down in the top, that if you want to delete all the chat, if you have to find all the way top chat, the old chat that you want to delete. After find that, this is the first message, I want to delete this from both sides. If you have to click on this, tap on this. After that, you can see here is an option unsend. If you click on unsend, the message will be deleted from both sides. If you have to click on this, the message has been deleted from both sides. Then you can do this the same for all the chats you have done or sent this to this person. You have to click all the way one by one. So this is how you can delete all the chat on Instagram from both sides. I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel. Peace.